I think the last time I vlogged was like 3 months ago for my birthday, if I'm not mistaken. The reason why I've been gone is because my academic studies schedule has been crazy lately. It's so packed and I don't have the time to edit the videos that I record. That's the main issue. And on top of that, if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know who my grandma is. And 2 months ago she passed away, so I took some time off for myself. But don't worry, I am okay now. There are definitely times of highs and lows, but overall I'm doing a lot better than I was 2 months ago. That's why I'm back, and I thought of starting the month of May by doing something that's therapeutic for me, which is cleaning my room. As you can tell, I haven't made my bed. There are clothes behind me that I need to put in the laundry basket. I have to refold some of my clothes, rearrange some things, get rid of some things. So I thought of taking you along with me. And this morning I registered for the AstraZeneca vaccine. So if I do manage to get that, or if that happens, that will be a separate video on its own. So stay tuned. Let's just get into today's video for now. So I'm wearing my rainbow pants to clean my room, and I'm gonna tie my hair so that it gets out of the way and start with what I plan to do.
Running through my head, the things I wanna say, reflecting on your eyes, what's inside your mind, You say it's hard to see cold, you're moving fast, I move slow, we're both losing control. You say it's wrong, I say right, you want it dark, I want light, we're both losing this fight. Now you're screaming all your thoughts, and now you're right back at you. We are mutually exclusive with two different points of view. Words go over both our heads, yet we're asking ourselves how. We don't listen to each other, we're just two mouths talking loud. Talking loud, talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now. Talking loud now, now. We're just two mouths talking loud. Won't give it a rest, put patience to the test, Go on without an end, not making any sense. You say it's hard to see cold, you're moving fast, I move slow, we're both losing control. You say it's wrong, I say right, you want it dark, I want light, we're both losing this fight.
Guys, I'm finally done cleaning this entire room. It's a single room, it's a small room, but it did take me longer than I thought it would. I do have more things than I'm supposed to have, so the next time I get to go home, I will have to bring back the things that I'm not using. And I'm so tired and sweaty now, so I'm just gonna skip today's exercise and assume I've exercised while cleaning the room. And I thought of giving you guys like an informal room tour. I've never done a proper room tour in this room before, because I thought I'll be decorating it or painting it since the walls are still dirty, and then do a formal room tour kind of video. But I don't see that happening anytime soon, since I'm not sure if we will still be in this room or if we will be shifted to a new room for the following semester. So this is all you get for now. Is my door. At the back of it there's this hook where I hang my white coat, handbag, and most of the time there are used clothes hanging there. And this is the wall that I was talking about. The paint is so uneven and so dirty. I thought of fixing it first before doing a room tour, but it is what it is, and here we are now. I have a hook there to hang my key and student ID lanyard, which is not there now. There are some flowers on this wall that I stole from my house. Since this wall was too empty, I didn't know what to put here. this side there's a place for me to hang my towel and other clothes. Below that you have my mini fridge. Next to it I have this 3-tier rack thing where I keep my dry food, cooking supplies, electric kettle. On top of it I have my printer. Then this is my study table. Below my study table you can see my laundry basket. I keep it there so that it's hidden from everyone. All of my books, since medical students have a lot of books, and stationeries are in that compartment below the study table. Then there's a floating rack above the study table. I keep my cutleries here and my fruits most of the time. Above the floating rack you can see all of my PPE supplies, hand sanitizers, surface cleaners and insect repellent spray. My wardrobe, it's quite small with stuff on top of it and below it. 2 sections. On the left side you have all of my formal attire that I use to go to class, and on the other side there's 4 compartments where I keep my yoga mat, tripod, broom and mop. Then you have my bed over here, and on this side I have this foldable table which I use almost every day since I do most of my work on the bed. Then this wall has wallpaper on it thanks to the person who used this room before, and I have this photo grid. Below my bed you have 2 drawers, and this is the rug in my room. That's it. That is the end of my very quick room tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching if you watched this far, and I'll see you when I see you next. I'm not going to give any promises, so bye.